What's up, y'all? Welcome back. We are in the garage right now, just kind of working around on some things. We're still waiting for some suspension on the car, but there was a contest that ended today for some Cerakote stuff. So let's go inside and see who won. Okay, we're inside now. First off, I just want to say thank you to everyone that commented on that video and engaged with that video. That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed that, and I hope to do some more of these kind of giveaways in the future. But right now we're going to grab the video link and we're going to throw it into commentpicker.com, and we will randomly select a winner of the Cerakote kits. Alright, we have a winner, and it is, drumroll, Mr. Sean Smile. I don't know if that's his actual last name, but Sean, reach out to me on Instagram, shoot me a DM, and we will get you squared away on how to get your stuff. And again, thanks to everyone that commented on that video. Now, I know today's video is kind of short. Things are pretty hectic right now, but like I said, we're still waiting on the suspension for the car. I don't have a timeline on that, but it should be any day now. And we have a few other small surprises that we're still trying to wait for. I have some fun things planned up ahead, and some stuff that I think you'll find pretty funny. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it very much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.